Hi folks, just a quick note about these water pumps on the Volkswagen Audi group diesel engines with the shrouds on the water pumps. We've got this shroud here and it's ECU controlled. It moves up and down to allow for quicker heating up of the engine. When you're replacing it, you may be wondering what's going on with this. You've got the solenoid there and you swap it over to your new pump. When they fit together, they don't fit particularly well, and you're always worried about damaging the seal and what have you. But it is a modification now. If you look at the new water pump, that drilling is blank. If you look here, we've got the normal drilling. This one here, the drilling has been blanked, and they've done away with the shroud. It was causing too much hassle. So when you fit this solenoid in here, you don't have to worry about it sealing, because there's no water pressure against the bottom of that solenoid. You're literally just putting it back there to keep the engine management light off. So there you go. In case you were confused, I just thought I'd mention it.